Yung boy, paano ba ng boy? Empty. I empty. I empty. I after my feet. I empty. I am strong. I am happy all day long. Sa panga, hindi naman nagsasalita si Chris at saka si Rebecca. Gusto ko marinig lahat, ha? Nakasan. I am free. I am free. I am free. I am free. All my head, all my feet. I am happy. I am strong. I am happy all day long. Okay, go to your right now.